Hello and welcome back. In today's video we are going to continue with our Valentine's theme by carving out this wood sign. This particular design is again one that we've managed to get off Etsy. There shall be a link below for those who are interested. So yeah, basically in today's video we're going to be making love in my garage. And there we have it. You see, once I can get the saw blade out, we have ourselves one perfectly lovely sign. Yes, and we shall combine this with the little hearts that used to fit into it in the front. Boom. Good. See you then. And so we have it. We've sanded down our love sign. As you can see, there are a couple of little hearts that fit into the thing, like a wonderful little jigsaw puzzle. Yeah, it's a very interesting little creation that I think we made here. Our next step now is to begin painting it. We shall paint the hearts with a lovely deep red colour, very rich, and I think very evocative of the romantic season that is Valentine's Day. I shall talk to you later once we have all these lovely little things painted. And with that, we have finished painting and varnishing our sign. Now this looks like a very classy design indeed. I cannot wait to put it on my shelf. Well, I do believe that is all we have to do for today's video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.